Hello and welcome to Home Cooking Spain. Today I'm going to be cooking hake fish with peas and fried tomato sauce. So let's begin. Well, to start with, I've got a medium-sized onion here. So let's cut it up. I'm going to cut it like this. Right, let's put this on a plate. And next, I've got my fish here, which is half frozen, half unfrozen. It's been on here only for about an hour, 2 hours. So I'm going to take all these bones off. Look, these are still stuck. I just clean it up a bit, take the bones off from here. Well, here we are. I've cleaned it as best as I could. I took away as many spines as I could. I don't think I could ever be a fish butcher. Fishmonger, I mean. Fish butcher. My hands are freezing and they stink. So I'm going to wash them and I'll be right back on to the next step. Well, got a pan here. So I'm going to turn the stove on. I'm going to turn it up to number 7 as usual. And just going to add some oil. Olive oil, of course. Don't know, about 4 tablespoons, 5 maybe. And I'll directly, let me get my spatula. I'll add that in there. And I'm going to, gently soften it up, slightly browned. And before you ask, yes, you can use any other fish of your choice, basically. I think cod would be my first choice, but I haven't got any cod, so I use this instead. So let's wait for that to sort itself out. And I forgot to mention, we shall be eating this for lunch over a bed of just plain boiled potatoes. I'll be doing a recipe of the typical Spanish way to do the boiled potatoes, and I'll leave a link in the description, or I'll try to anyway. Right, so these are done. So what I'll do next is I'm going to sprinkle in some sweet paprika. I'm not going to measure it, just give it a sprinkle today. And I'm going to add some, these are tiny, these bay leaves this time. God, look at them. I'm going to add a couple of bay leaves in. And I'm going to add this tomato in. Let's give this a shake. And some salt. Let me clean my hands. Salt to your own taste, obviously. I'll give this a mix and I'll bring it to the boil. And here are the potatoes, what I'm going to accompany it with. Well, once it starts to bubble, we'll give it a stir, and I'll turn the heat down to number 3. Where's the lid? Here. I'll cover it up like that, leave a little gap, and I'll leave it there for 15 minutes to slowly cook. Right, so it's been on here for 15 minutes, give or take, and what I'll do next is turn this up to number 7, so 3/4 of the way, and place the fish in the sauce. I'm going to toss them over so they get covered with the sauce. Smells gorgeous. I just love onion and fried tomato. Gorgeous. So next I will cover this back up completely and leave it there for 10 minutes. And if you're still watching this, subscribing is much appreciated. Cheers. Right, so on to the last step, which is to add the peas. And I'm going to cover it up again, fully this time, and turn the heat off, and we just leave it there 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'll put it on this dish to show you what it looks like. So here's today's delicious lunch. I hope that you enjoyed today's recipe video. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. I will answer you as soon as possible, and I look forward to making my next recipe and sharing it with you. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.